So you bought that very expensive jar of cocktail cherries, maraschino cherries, and you're using the cherries up, but you have extra juice. We're going to show you how to use that extra juice in a Little Italy. The Little Italy will use 1/3 of an ounce of maraschino cherry juice, 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth, 1/2 ounce of Cynar. Now, Cynar is my very favorite Italian Amaro, which is an Italian bitter liqueur. There's quite a few of them. And this one I like to do with soda. We're also going to do 2 ounces of rye. Let's get started. This is a built drink, so we're going to do it in a glass. I'm going to add ice in there first so that my ingredients, as I add them, get chilled and possibly get a little extra dilution as the ice melts. I'm going to zero out my scale. And let's start with the Cynar. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of Cynar, 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth, I'm going to zero out my scale and do 1/3 of an ounce of the maraschino cherry juice. And that's about 1.5 teaspoons. And 2 ounces of rye. If rye is too strong of a flavor for you, you could probably do bourbon in this. We're going to stir that up, give it some time to mix in. Now you can use a knife, I'm using my bar spoon. Anything you need to stir it up. You could make this in a shaker cup. I choose to serve it in a chilled cocktail glass. We're going to strain it. And try. This is a great cocktail. It's got depth of flavor, it's spirit forward, but that maraschino cherry juice gives it a bit of a sweetness. So if you have the cherry juice and the Cynar, give this one a try.